Hi, I'm Darrell Stafford with Catalysis Additive Tooling.
I'm Carrie Matheney with Shirley K.
So there's been a lot of questions about what kind of 3D printing technology you can thermoform with. So here's an example of a PLA FDM print. TG on this is about 130 degrees F. So I think the other thing with an FDM PLA print, you can see the witness marks. It's maybe hard to see because of the surface resolution print here. You can see those marks, but this worked very well for this customer with just one of a few parts. I think the issue comes in for an FDM PLA print for a PE material, which sits on the tool for how long?
Well,
quarter inch.
On this tool, yeah. I mean, we would, let's say it's a quarter inch. We're looking at a minute and a half, depending on what kind of machine you have it in. But with the PE, you would want to let it cool longer.
Cool longer.
So yeah.
Yep. And so you can see, you probably can't see here, this is actually all deformed. So this process doesn't work. Thermoforming does not work with the PE material. That's why we developed the Catalysis FX tool, which the TG is over the forming temperature of the plastic, so we get no deformation. So here's an example part that was pulled off of there, quarter inch HDPE, very good resolution on the print, and we did 250 parts off of here.
Yeah, it's a nice looking part. Surface is nice, aesthetics. Able to control your shrinkage on that by letting it cool.
Good. Yeah. So bottom line is you can form almost off of any 3D printing technology. It just depends on the type of material, the volume, the heat that's put into the material. But obviously we're driving a catalysis tool because it's good for the very high temp PE materials, very thick materials, very low cost.
So to validate the benefit of the different tooling options that Catalysis can offer, and as you can see on this table, we've got several different types of tools, and we're able to work with Catalysis in budget and or for application based on material, the volume that we're trying to accomplish, and the aesthetics. So there are multiple options that we're able to give our customers for their budget.